What is up, YouTubulous? Today I'm going to show you how to get your Xbox controller onto your OBS Studios. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up Google Chrome. Go to gamepadviewer.com. Once you get here, make sure that your controller is on. Press a button, it'll recognize that it's up here. Mine always goes to player 2, but you could try player 1, test your joystick. If it doesn't work, go down to player 2. As soon as your joystick works, click this little fella right there, generate URL. Make sure your player number matches what it says right here. So I am player 2 and I'm Xbox, so it doesn't matter though. I could use PS4 or Xbox One. Just for fun, I'll show you what it looks like with PlayStation 4 white. Regardless, copy the link, minimize the window. Do not exit out of the window, just minimize it. Come over here to OBS. Click on browser under sources. You can name this whatever you want. I just put it as controller. Where the URL is, you're going to want to paste what you just copied on that website. Click OK. It'll bring up a controller here. Minimize it, set it wherever you want. And then to test it, just press a button on your controller. Make sure that it's working. And then the best way to go back in and make sure that it's really working is just to try a game, which this is just Rocket League. So you can see that it's working just fine. All the buttons work. Everything's working great. So you can switch it though, you can name it literally anything you like. Just for convenience sake, naming it controller is a lot easier so you don't accidentally delete it. Each time you get on though, make sure you have that window in minimized mode. That'll save you from having to download anything to your computer that you don't know if it's going to work, or if it's sketchy, or if you just don't have the memory that you want to, you know, hang on to that website right there, gamepadviewer.com. Make sure everything works, set it up. You could come over here, like I said earlier, I could put it as Xbox 360. Whatever you change, just make sure you copy the link, come back over here, controller, properties, paste. And now I have an Xbox 360 remote. So that is all it takes to get that on there, like all your favorite streamers have. If they're playing Rocket League, it's very common. Otherwise, some other people that use controller for Fortnite or literally any other game, Call of Duty, PUBG, some people do, Realm Royale, some people do. But that's the way to do it. So appreciate you stopping by.